Hey, how's it going? This is Whit from Wits End Media, and today I'm going to be talking about a free plugin that you can use in DaVinci Resolve. It's made by Patrick Stirling. Shout out to him. He has videos on his channel. I suggest you go watching them too, but I'm just trying to, I ain't got that many subscribers, but I do want to spread the word for, my future audience, because this is a really powerful tool, and it's amazing. So, let's jump right in real quick. So, this is the website you need to go to, link in the description, and it kind of gives you a preview of what we're going to be talking about. And it's called Proto V2. It's free. Add to cart. You can actually give him money if you want to. I'm sure he would love that. I definitely would, just because he is an amazing dude. He has an awesome YouTube channel. I'm putting his channel in the description, and I'm not getting paid or anything by him, obviously. And for anyone who watches Call of Duty montages, if you see Kaiser, he uses After Effects, and I like DaVinci Resolve. But if you see some of his montages and you see those cool effects he has on his videos, I'll show an example on top over here right now. This is what this Proto tool does, plus way more. So once you have it downloaded and added into your thing, let's jump right into DaVinci Resolve and see what it actually can do. So we're inside DaVinci Resolve right now. I do have a clip over here that we'll show later, but first off, let's go to the, well, first off, man, there's so many first offs. You can find his tool under the generators and the effects. It'll be under Sterling Supply Company. But let's go to the generators first and throw this Proto V2 on here. So this is the basic, what you get, but it goes so deep. So let's click on it, and we got the generator right here. And you can actually, so if you go to the source, you can change it to text, line, ellipse, rectangle, polygon sharp, polygon smooth, square, and star. So let's click line. So now we can see a line, ellipse, which we had, rectangle, and all this cool stuff. And with these, you can actually go over here, it says bottom left corner, and go to a fusion overlay and change all these points if you want, if you can find the right one. I don't know if you can change the star. I know you can change this custom square. There we go. You just gotta maneuver around, but you can change this however you want. The text one's pretty cool. But then you can see under here, under the source, you have all these source controls, and these are different controls for the different preset they use. So for the text, go over here, you can type like the vid yo, and you can zoom that out. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, you have to zoom it out in here. Goodness, come on, computer, you can keep up. There we go. And also another thing you might want to do is, where is it at? There we go, background on and off. So right now, this technically has a black background on it. Even though there's nothing behind it, it would just be black and all that. But if you turn that off, then it's transparent. The next thing I want to go over is if you go over here to the presets in the inspector, this is where you can get different effects. So that's the simple, which we're on. This is wavy, sunspot, which is bright, lava. This one's really cool. Ghost, Wanda. This is actually probably my favorite. I love this Wanda. Electro, Plasma, Wisp, and Patronus, however you say that one. That's a weird word. But as you can see, some of these, they don't look good on like the text. That doesn't look good. But like if you go over here and let's say we do ellipse, that kind of looks fine. Or if you do like a line or something. So some of them don't look good with all of them, but some of them do. And also with these, you can also go in here, change the colors. So if we go over to, let's see, intensity controls. Right now it's on this light blue. We can change to like a red or whatever you want. A cool thing that I did one time is I took the text. Well, yeah, I did the text one. There we go. Changed it to the lava. And I forget what I was doing, but I changed the color to like this like neon green, something like that. Let's see. more something like that, and it turned out pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool itself. I'm gonna turn this fusion overlay off. There we go. You can also keyframe and animate this stuff. So if you have the line, for example, and let's go to the line controls, you can change this length. So then you can keyframe it and do all these cool animations with this stuff. Also, it isn't just a static. As you can see, as I'm sifting through the timeline, all this stuff moves automatically, and you can change those controls. And I think it's this wind controls, and that's basically the generator. I didn't even dive deep really into that. I just covered the surface because there's so many things you can do with that generator. It is amazing. So now let's talk about the effect. So let's grab my fancy clip real quick. This is me actually. I made this clip. I play Call of Duty, whatever. Got dark matter, but let's full screen this real quick. Hit a triple headshot, or was it headshot? I don't know. Um, yeah, triple collateral. Ready for this? Boom. Yeah, that was pretty cool. But so let's go to our effects. Sterling Supply Clo, the Proto V2 Effect, and throw it on there. And this is what we see at first. And in order to actually get to all the controls and all that, like what we did with the generator, we go over here in the inspector and go to effects. And now we have all of our stuff. So we have our mask controls and core and glow and all this stuff. So now we have this. If we go to user, that's where we get all the different ones and all that. And you can also animate these and make the thresholds, brighter or just subtle. Do mask controls, the glow, and this is where I kind of feel like this is the Kaiser look. Because if you see any of his content, like, let's see, say probably like, probably say like something like this ghost one. He uses this a lot. And bring this up, and it kind of gives this cool, I would say maybe retro feel, and gives us this really cool look. And you can animate this stuff, and you can do a lot. You can change this glow and so much more. You can change the blur of it. There's so much stuff you can do with this Proto V2. And I think that's oh yeah, colorize, so you can change the color to whatever you want, but that's just covering the surface. I could probably go a lot more in depth with this, but if you really do want to go, I would go check out Patrick Stirling's video. He covers probably a little bit more than me. He explains it a little bit different too. But I mean, I think you guys get the concept of what the Proto V2 tool is. It's just this effect overlay or generator, and that just creates this really cool effects. And I'm thankful that he made this because this is a really cool effect. Definitely no way I would be able to make something like this. And he also has a lot more videos on his plugins, and I'll probably make more videos on his plugins in the future, just because I think all of his plugins are really good, high quality, amazing, easy to use, top notch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go subscribe to him. Check out some of his other plugins and presets and all that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Use this effect completely free, and have a great day. See you later.